and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with news from the tourism sector. The Jamaica Federation of Trade Unions has written to the government calling for a meeting to discuss the working conditions of hotel workers.
Now, it follows yesterday's protest by workers from 2 hotels in St. James. The protest was the second such action within a few weeks.
Now, as you will hear in this report, there is growing concern about the workers' welfare and the future of Jamaica's tourism product if the issues are not fixed.
The letter dated November 12 was addressed to Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. and copied the Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. The communique was sent hours after workers at Secrets and Breathless Resorts staged a protest over compensation and working conditions. The Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions contends that the issues are creating distress and discontent within the workforce, which directly impacts the well-being of the workers and stability of the industry. It's why President St. Patrice Ennis has called for an urgent meeting with the Labour Minister.
We must guarantee to the workers that the working conditions that they have been that they are required to work in is something that is sustainable, something that they have a voice in, and see where they can sit at the table.
Following the protest at Royalton Negril last month, the tourism and labour ministers intervened and the hotel staff's salaries were increased and the food situation in the canteen greatly improved. On Tuesday, the ministries again intervened. Hours later, the staff returned to work. Mr. Patrice Ennis took issue with the approach being used.
We believe that the approach that we have now embarked upon to settle these things individually when they come to the fore is not something that is sustainable. We believe the sector is too important.
Now, the JCTU is proposing the establishment of a joint industrial council for the tourism industry, insisting such a council could be instrumental in ensuring that hotel workers' rights are adequately protected and that fair labor practices are upheld.
You need to engage workers into what we call collective bargaining, which we believe is a fundamental right, where all the parties are at the table. Workers, the owners through their representatives, and indeed the government of Jamaica, where we believe we can put everything on the table. This is not a new approach, and in forming a joint industrial council to take care of what I'm proposing.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.